Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a Halloween look. This is like a scarecrow sunflower type of thing going on. I seen this look on Pinterest and when I was looking for like some Halloween looks to do, and this one was fairly easy. I had so much fun doing this. It was so cute, so I just decided to do that because I'm good at makeup, but I'm not that good with like face paint, like any type of like this type of makeup. But I mean, I think I actually did pretty good for my first try. Like I totally winged it. Like this was my first time ever doing this. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and we're gonna get right into the tutorial. So I already went ahead and filmed the other eye off camera and added some concealer to my lid. So I'm just going into the color Rustic by the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and using that as my transition shade. So I don't even know what I was thinking in the beginning. I definitely need some setting powder under my eyes because I'm gonna have so much fallout. Do y'all see that glitter and all that dark eyeshadow? Like, I don't know what I was thinking. So I just went back into that same palette and used the color Cypress Umber just to kind of darken up the look. So then I'm just taking the Natasha Denona Sunset palette and just using that dark brown shade to darken up the look as well. And I'm going back into the Soft Glam palette and taking that black shade and kind of just outlining it with the black so I give it like a nice defined shape, and then I'm just going to buff it out. Basically, I'm just going to darken up the look. I'm just going back and forth with browns and blacks and different type of blending brushes just to make it look nice and blend it out, because blending out black or like dark brown eyeshadow is so hard. Like so next I'm just taking this NYX white base paint and kind of just carving out my lid. And then I'm taking that blending brush and kind of just buffing out the outer edge so it looks nice and blended. Then I'm just taking some glitter glue and kind of just putting that all over my lid to get it ready for the glitter that I'm about to put on. The glitter that I'm using is by Certify. I love their glitters. They're so pigmented, and this is just a really pretty gold one. Then I'm just going back in with my blending brush and kind of just wiping off any excess glitter, you know, just making it look nice and neat. Okay, so now it is time for the fun part. So I'm just taking this black eyeliner and kind of just carving out, or just basically doing like an outline of how I want my sunflowers to look, like the petals and stuff. So I'm just basically doing that and just pretty much winging it. Like there's no technique that I really did. I was just looking at a picture and just basically going off from that. I was literally a little scared, not scared, but I was like just very, I don't know, like these type of tutorials just give me such anxiety because like I just don't know how to do it. Like it's just like, and if you mess up, like you really mess up the whole entire thing. Like you gotta like wipe it off and do it all over. But this was kind of easy, and it was just, you know, a little starter for me getting into this type of makeup type of stuff. But I liked it. It turned out really good, and I feel like I'm more confident now. I'll try some new things and stuff like that. So yeah. So then I'm just taking that same NYX white paint base and kind of just coloring that in. So when I apply the colors on top of it, it looks more bright. To color in the petals, I'm using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. And for some reason, I guess my camera like skipped the part where I was doing the yellow, but I pretty much used that bottom yellow shade and just kind of fill that in. And then I'm just using this burnt orange to kind of just, you know, merging the two colors together to make it look like a sunflower. So to color in my leaf, I'm just taking this Morphe Boss Mood palette, which by the way I absolutely love. It is so gorgeous. And I'm just coloring that in so it looks more realistic and like a leaf. Then I'm just taking this NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner, and it's in a light green shade, and I'm just making the leaf look a little bit more realistic. Then I'm also taking this NYX white liner, and like I said, I'm just making it look a little bit more realistic and detailed. So then I'm just going back into that Soft Glam palette and kind of just blending out the lower lash to make it look like more of the center of a sunflower. But I just poked myself in the eye with so much freaking eyeshadow. So then I'm just going in with this black liquid liner by the brand Pretty Vulgar, which I love this liner, by the way. It's so pigmented and I love the little brush. And I'm basically just going back over the black just to make it look more darker.
Purchase your tracks today.
So then I'm just making a circle around my nose because I'm actually going to just put some glitter right there. I apologize for not filming this part on camera, but I was just trying to figure out what lip color to do that will work with the look. But basically all I did was just draw like some lines kind of across my lips and just, you know, made it look like a stitch, or how Scarecrow's lips are supposed to look. So yeah. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the look. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.